In a world where precision drives progress, one name continues to lead the industry: Gujarat Lathe Manufacturing Private Limited. For decades, our Panther lathe series has stood for accuracy, durability, and long-term performance. As part of the 2,000 million Indian rupees IS Chawla Group and backed by ISO 2015:2008 certification, we set new standards with our flagship all-geared lathe machines. 7,000-plus machines operating worldwide and exports to 45-plus countries, our global presence reflects our commitment to reliability. Each machine is crafted under strict quality control, with in-house gear production and advanced computerized testing for unmatched precision. With offices across Mumbai, Rajkot, Navi Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Baroda, we support industries across India and beyond. Gujarat Lathe, precision in engineering, trust in performance, shaping the future of machining.